everyone, today we're going to do a quick tutorial of how to send a password reset email to an employee or to a resident. So this is in the event where they originally got the email and the text and just weren't able to complete the sign up process in the initial 72 hours. So first things first, we want to log into the Geokey or your Geokey portal. I'm in the Geokey portal demo test for this training purposes. And for training purposes, all emails, phone numbers, addresses, etc. are fake. So like I said, the first thing we do is go ahead and log in. And then second, we're going to go to this Manage Account tab, and then we're actually going to go to the Users sub tab. So go ahead and click on that. And then next step is we want to find which user we want to send out this password reset email to. So we're going to pick on Bethany. So I will click on her name. It pulls up all of her relevant information, first name, last name, email, etc. Then we're going to go ahead and click Settings. And when we click Settings, we're going to see the password reset email, or you can send a password reset message, which is a text message. You go ahead and click that. It'll send them a brand new one, and they have another 72 hours to complete this. Thanks, everyone.